Alright, good morning TikTokers and YouTubers. We'll be posting this on there. Had a customer walk in today with a PS5. It did have the front facing cover. I just took it off. He said the system was infested with roaches and he sent it to PS or to Sony or to PlayStation to fix the HDMI port. And they refused to fix it because the system was infested. I opened it up, it wasn't as bad. So we're gonna go through it right now. I finally bought me a drill where I don't have to sit down here doing it manual. Alright, I did see a few cockroaches. You can see some of their eggs and stuff. But we'll clean it out. Let's go ahead and finish. Alright, we got the motherboard out and let's go ahead and change the HDMI port. While I'm heating up the board, I can smell that nasty cockroach smell in here. It was inside the fan.